Good old Coeur d'Alene. Currently this weekend, the event of the city is Coeur d'Alene. Classic cars on display and strolling through the historic downtown. It's a great city to raise a family. Safe, booming, plenty of job opportunities. And from what I hear, the public schools are decent, although the charter schools seem to be superior. Here we are at McEuen Park in front of the public library, and straight ahead is the City Hall. Well, that's it for this quick video displaying Coeur d'Alene, Kootenai County, Idaho. Signing off from the USA.